Stand the cabinet on end and position the key head end plate even and flush with the top of the cabinet. Pre-drill a hole and install a screw. Carefully maintain alignment as you continue this process. Continue until all 7 screws are installed. Position the changer end plate as shown. Continue pre-drilling holes and installing screws. When all 7 screws are installed, stand back and admire your work. Now would be a good time to call Jimmy Hudson at 704-796-8929. Order your Eagle pedal steel guitar kit today.